Alright, this is 9719 50th Ave North. And this is pre-cleaning or descale. Got quite a bit of rust in here for sure.
Rust?
Oh yeah. I'm recording this. I always want to look at it before. And then we'll do it after we start cleaning. We're gonna probably have to clean it first and then descale it and then clean it some more. There's another one of those wipes.
Well, they can hang up on that rust.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just loaded. See, there's our stoppage right there.
Oh yeah, look at that.
See all that?
What is that?
It's either
Paper and stuff?
Yeah, paper or the wipes or stuff like that. So as you can see, the sewer's in some pretty rough shape. Again, this is before we've started any work. So I just wanted to get
How far in is it?
only about 10 feet.
So is that the main drain?
Yeah.
So it's not even off the branches or anything?
No, I'm gonna have to pop the clog. I'm gonna have to clean this a few times before I can even descale it. I just always like to get a before video. Alright, so I'm gonna conclude this video and then I'll make another one obviously after we get it cleaned up.